Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm Linda from Linda Michaels TV. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Today we're gonna be doing World Health Organization's prescription on DIY hand sanitizers, and these are the stuffs we're gonna be using today for making this DIY. The first one is surgical spirits. This is 100% surgical spirit, but we're gonna be diluting it to 70%. Now, the second one is hydrogen peroxide, and the last one is glycerin. We are using glycerin in this mixture to lock in moisture in the mixture to prevent the dryness of the hands from the harsh effects from the surgical spirits. Now we are gonna be taking 1/3 of the surgical spirits, which we're gonna be diluting with water, 1 tablespoon of water. Introducing the spirit into the collection bottle. Here is 1 tablespoon, and we measure 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. And we also take a tablespoon of water to dilute the spirit. Coming to our moisturizing agent, glycerin, we're gonna be taking a teaspoon of glycerin to add moisture and cooling effect of the skin into the mixture. This will protect the skin from all the harshness from surgical spirit to keep the skin moisturized and protected, shiny and glittery after applying the hand sanitizer. Now we introduce the whole mixture in the cup into the surgical spirit bottle to make a complete mixture of our DIY hand sanitizer as prescribed by World Health Organization. These are the 3 ingredients they prescribe that we should use to do our DIY hand sanitizers at home. It is done. We have made our own mixture of World Health Organization's prescription on DIY hand sanitizers. Placing the moisturizer on the skin is so nice and smooth and left some moisturizing effect on the skin, protective effects from the glycerin, and in the process killing all germs and bacteria or viruses on the palm. The spirits and the hydrogen peroxide we do the cleansing effect, while glycerin we do the moisturizing effects. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and keep the notification bell on, and see you in my next video. Bye.